Good day everyone, we are the series group and we are going to discuss about generating patterns, arithmetic sequence and series, geometric sequence and series, and means. So first,
Today we will discuss first the generating patterns.
Times is not a sequence. This is a formula. Y equal x plus 1. For example, x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the solution. Y equals x plus 1. Y equals 1 plus 1. Y2 equals y equals 2. So, gi-substitute ra na to siya copy. So, y equals x plus 1. Y equals 2 plus 1. Y equals 3. Y equals x plus 1. Y equals 3 plus 1. Y equals 4.
next, the arithmetic sequence.
Arithmetic sequence has the formula of a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So let's find how to use the arithmetic sequence formula. For example, the given is find the 25 term of 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So our first term is 5, and the nth term is a sub 25, then the number of term is 25, then lastly is the common difference is 5. So let's try to answer this. First is put the formula, which is the a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So let's put first the n term is a sub 25 equals, the first term is 5, copy the plus, then the n term is 25 minus 1, then the common difference is 5. Same process, a sub 25 equals 5 plus 25 minus 1 is equals to 24. Copy the common difference is 5. Then let's a sub 25 equals 5. Then 24 times 5 is 120. Then let's find the final answer. And 120 plus 5 is equals to 125. So the 25 term is 125. This is the final answer.
Next, column will discuss about the arithmetic series.
In arithmetic series, we have two different formula. First is the s sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n, and s sub n equals n over 2, 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. This is our example given. A sub 1 equals 2, n equals 10, a sub n equals negative 52. We will find the 10th term. To find the 10th term, we will replace s sub n into s sub 10, and the a sub 1 into 2, and the a sub n into negative 52. Next, we will divide the 10 over 2. 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. Then we will add the 2 and negative 52. 2 plus negative 52 is equals to negative 50. Next, we will multiply 5 and negative 50. 5 times negative 50 is equals to negative 250. So our S sub 10 is equals to negative 250.
Where if S sub n equals n over 2 rocket 2 times A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d is where n is the number of terms. A sub is the last term, A1 is the first term. We will find what is the sub 20. Sub n equals n over 2 rocket 2 times A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Sub 20 equals 20 over 2 rocket 2 times negative 5 plus 10 minus 1 times 3. Sub 20 equals 10 rocket negative 10 plus 19 times 3. Sub 20 equals to n times negative 10 plus 57. Sub 10 equals 10 times 47. Sub 10 equals 470. So, our sub 20 is 470.
These are the examples of the arithmetic sequence and series. Next, Labnao and Adap Harold will discuss about the geometric sequence, geometric means, and the sum of the geometric sequence.
Geometric sequence is to find the next term of the given formula. R equals n of b. N is the denominator of the second term. D is the denominator of the first term. Given 1 is the first term. 2 is the second term. 4 is the third term. N is a fourth term. So, example. Example number 1. R equals 2 over 1 equals 2. Example number 2. R equals 4 over 2 is equals 2. Example number 3. R equals 8 over 4 is equals 2. So their combination is 2.
This is the formula. A sub n equals A sub 1 times R to raise to the power of n minus 1. And this is the point of my thing. So, for example, find the fourth term in 5 terms. So, ang panita is, una yung masugot na dire. First term, and second term, and third term. And fourth. So, ato pa ito is ang fourth. So, ato siyang ibutan. Alay ko. Then, 4 minus 1. And 4 sub 4 equals 4 times 3. So, ano na 3 na siya 3? Kaya ato mo siyang minus ang 4 minus 1. So, na 3. Then, diretso ka. 8 sub 4 equals 4 times 27. Kaya ato siyang times 3 times 3 times 3. So 27. So ato siyang times sa 4. Kung sa ang 4 27 ato siyang times. So ako siya 8 sub 4 equals 108. So mananaw pa din sa no sa 4th. So first, second, third, and fourth. So fifth. So ang fifth man wala pa ko siya given niya natin. So ato siyang i-plus. Then ato lang pang sabihin na A sub n equals A sub 1 times R raised to the power of n minus 1. So, ang ato ang A sub n kay ang 5. Take 5. A sub 5 equals 4 times 3, 5 minus 1. So, A sub 5 equals 4 times 3. So, that. A sub 5 equals 4 times 1. So, mga nagdiwan siya, kaya ano siya nagkuhan? Times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, basta mga O, dili ka. 8 times 5 equals 324. Ngayon, ano na? 324. Kaya ato siya mo times sa equal times 3. So, ngayon mo siya,